Hey everyone, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to move a game to another drive in Epic Games. Using Rocket League as an example, here's how. Click the three dots, then Manage, then View File Location. Click, select the game folder and hit Copy. Now move it to another drive, let's say C. Create an Epic Games folder there or name it whatever you like. Transfer the copied game files into this new folder. After moving the game, go to Epic Games and delete the original. Wait for it to finish deleting. Next, click Install, choose Select Folder, and pick the folder where we moved the game. That's Epic. Click Select Folder, then Install. It won't download again, but we'll find the files we moved. That's it. This is VAR. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.